my review and verdict about this perfume, Aqua Universalis by Francis Kurkdjian. Upon initial spray, you can smell the white floral and citrus scents in a very clean and fresh, uplifting sense. And the opening is really flowerish, and the dry down is a very sophisticated, soapy scent with a hint of lily of the valley undertone, which is very good for summer. And while there's a lingering around of a bit musky, the projection is very good. It lasts kind of 4 hours in compare for some perfume with the lily of the valley, such as in Elizabeth Arden or some green tea scents. This lasts quite longer than that, and it's dried down into a soapy scent. Smell baby. And it's very good for office or work, or for those like you going to travel by a tube or by a bus or coach, and there's a very humid. It's very good, it's very clean, it's not offensive to those who sitting near with you, and the scent is really energetic, so like you just have a fresh shower. And how to say it, I find it's been more on a feminine rather than unisex, because I smell more on musky floral rather than citrusy floral, so it's really for me a feminine. Sorry about those others, I find it, but my body chemistry tend find this one a very feminine. So I usually work this in the office, and some people say, oh, you smell fresh, and I said yeah, and I don't need to reapply it very often. It's like 4 or 5 hours, I'm happy with that one. And look, as you can see, I haven't wear that much of this one, so collect it, so I don't use it very often. So, and I usually have a quickly nose blind, so if I use the perfume for 3-4 consecutive days, I can smell them again, so I need to take them for a while, rest them for a while, so I can enjoy them next time I use it. And this is a very good gift for those who live in the tropical country, and those will, for example, you are tired of smelling too much sweet or all leatherish. This is very good. Musky floral, citrusy is a little bit undertone, so it is not really like that smell. So anyway, thank you guys for watching again, and hope you find this information very good, so you can make a decision once you encounter this product. And it's available in major shopping centers in Europe and in some countries. I'm not sure in some Asian countries, and it's very hard to buy it online, especially when you want to order a bigger size, because they cannot send it by how do you call it, by a post or by air cargo, because it's alcohol. So that's it, guys. You can ask for someone who traveling and ask them to provide for yourself, or ask them to buy for you, or if you're lucky, then they can buy for you and give you for free. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a lovely day or lovely evening. And for those who just wake up, good morning. Bye now.